Coming up in this video, I've got 5 absolutely delicious cocktails that you can make up using your favourite Bianco or white vermouth. I'm going to use Lillet, so if you want to see 5 absolutely stunning simple drinks that you can make at home or in your pubs and bars, stay tuned. Hey there, I'm Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos are helping you to drink, serve and enjoy your favourite spirits even more by providing you with some very simple drinks inspiration. If you like these simple cocktail recipes or if you like my stuff in general, make sure you hit that like button on this video and then make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, I want you to get involved and help other people out. So in the comments below, let me know your favourite way of drinking Lillet or your favourite Bianco vermouth. Now the first cocktail I'm going to make for you, please rename it. I'm terrible at naming cocktails, but this is a Lillet Rose. Now this cocktail we're going to make in a gin balloon, so pick your favourite gin balloon. And then we're just going to start off, we want a 50 ml, so a double measure of your vermouth. As I say, I've used Lillet, but feel free, this will work for other vermouths as well. But I think this works Lillet is my favourite Bianco vermouth. Now, as I said, this is a very, very simple drink. I think Fentimans Rose Lemonade works exceptionally well with vermouths, but you don't need to overpower it. The vermouths are not typically that strong. So I've gone 50 ml of vermouth. I want 100 ml of Fentimans Rose Lemonade. And 100. Now just to garnish, I've got, and I use these quite a bit, I'll get these off Amazon. These are just dehydrated strawberries, basically. But once you put them in liquid, they just absorb all the water and they come to life. Now just fill your gin balloon with loads of ice. Then take your long bar spoon and just give it a quick stir. And that is your Lillet Rose. There's one piece of bar equipment that I cannot do without when I'm making cocktails, and that's the Mezclar Precision measure. It's super accurate. It's a lot more than just a 25 ml, 50 ml measure. Inside the 25 ml end, we've got lines every 5 ml, and in the 50 ml end, we've got lines every 10 ml. Why is that important? Because not all cocktails call for 25 ml of this or 50 ml of that. So when you need 15 ml of lime juice or 10 ml of sugar syrup, the Mezclar Precision measure is just absolutely amazing. Now, cocktail number 2. I told you I'm terrible at naming cocktails. This is a Lillet Berry. So take a decent sized highball. This is a 16 ounce highball, and you want 50 ml of your vermouth or Lillet. 50 ml. Now the berry comes from creme de mure, which is a blackberry liqueur. You want 10 ml, just 10 ml. Now to finish this highball off, we need some kind of soda or mixer. I'm actually going to tonic water, and this is one of my favourite tonic waters of the moment. This is Franklin's & Sons Mallorcan tonic water. I'm just going to use 2/3, 3/4 of a bottle. Now just very gently fill your glass up about 3/4 full with chunky ice. Take your long bar spoon, give it a stir. Then just to garnish, I've got 4, these are just dehydrated blackberries that I use. Again, you can get them from Amazon. Top your glass with some crushed ice. I'm just going to garnish this with a mint sprig and then a straw. And this is my Lillet Berry. Right, now cocktail number 3 is a very famous cocktail. It's called the Hugo, but again, we're just going to slightly flip it up and give you some inspiration at home. So we're going to make this in a gin balloon. So you want to start off with 50 ml of Lillet, 50 ml. Then we just want some elderflower. I've gone elderflower syrup because I love this brand, but you could pick up elderflower cordial from your supermarkets. And we just want 10 ml of elderflower syrup. Then just to finish this off, we need some kind of soda. Normally it's sort of soda water and wine, but we've got the wine base there with the Lillet. So we're going actually double Dutch's cucumber and watermelon mixer, tonic water, whatever you want to call it. I absolutely love this. It works a treat in this drink. You want about 2/3 to 3/4 of the bottle. Then just to garnish, we've got two things here. I've got sort of 3 cubes of lime I'm just going to throw in, and then I've just got about 4 or 5 mint leaves. I'm just going to spank and throw them in too. Now just very gently, just add some ice. Take your spoon and just give it a stir and get that elderflower syrup that's probably sitting at the bottom. Just get that into your drink. It's a very gentle stir. That is my twist on the famous Hugo, but instead of using sort of wine or sparkling wine, we've gone Lillet instead with double Dutch's cucumber and watermelon tonic. For your fourth cocktail, we're going for a mojito, but just simply swapping out the rum for your vermouth, or in this case for Lillet. So take your highball glass. I've got a 16-ounce glass here, and I've just got a lime just chopped down into 6 wedges. So I'm just going to squeeze them in. Now for the sugar, we want just a little bit less than normal that you would do with a rum or anything like that. So we're going just a very simple 10 ml of sugar. Now take your muddler and just very gently get all the juice out of the limes and all that zest into your drink. Now you want your Lillet, so we want 50 ml of Lillet. Now you want your mint leaves, so we just want 10 to 12 mint leaves. Palm your hand, give them a spank. That'll just awake the aroma. Now we just need to pop them into your glass. Now just for the soda, I am going, I'll be honest, I thought I had another can. This is been rebranded. We've got Sister's Soda here, pomegranate and hibiscus. I've just got a couple of bottles left before the rebrand. So I'm just going for some pomegranate and hibiscus soda. Just half fill the glass. Now, as I always do with my mojitos, I'll just go cubed ice first. So you want about 4 or 5 cubes of ice. Take your long bar spoon, give it a stir, bring the limes and the mint to the top. Then we're just going to top up with some crushed ice. Garnish with a mint sprig. And then, as always, the straw goes right beside the mint. So when you have a little sip, the mint's going straight up your nose. And that is my Lillet Mojito, finished off with pomegranate and hibiscus soda. Cheers. Now for the fifth cocktail, we've called it a Lillet Le Blanc. It's going in a wine glass, but I'm actually going to make it in a cocktail shaker. The first thing you need is 40 ml of Lillet. Now we need 20 ml of a decent cognac. Now we just need 15 ml of honey. I prefer to use honey syrup, and all that is equal amounts of honey and hot water just to make it a bit more runny. I'm just going 15 ml of honey syrup. Now I just want 20 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. Last ingredient, I just want 40 ml. This is just a decent orange juice. This is supermarket own brand orange juice. Always freshly squeezed though, not the sort of concentrate. It will just taste better. So 40 ml. Then we just need to fill the shaker with ice. Then we're just going to shake it for about 12 seconds. Proper hard shake. Now we're just going to fill our wine glass with some fresh cubed ice. And then we're simply going to strain the cocktail with a Hawthorne strainer straight over the top. And to garnish, I'm just got a sprig of rosemary that I'm just going to stick in. And then a very simple sip straw. That is my Lillet Le Blanc. So that's been my 5 very simple cocktails that you can make with Lillet, or to be fair, that should work with most sort of Blanco white vermouths on the market. In the comments below, let me know your favourite, and I'll see you really soon for another video.